look it into the experiment number 2. In that experiment number 2, the program name is getting started with Cloud Shell and Google Cloud. In that, discover the use of Google Cloud command to manage Google Cloud resources and Cloud Shells. It means so they're providing some resources. What is the how to use these services and how to what are the services are there and what are the uh, resources we to use we should use like this. So we explore in this experiment number 2. Okay, so firstly we look into the step 1. The step 1 is open Cloud Shell. So firstly we're going to sign into this account. After that, here click the cloud active Cloud Shell icon. This is the icon, Cloud Shell icon. In that, so wait a minute, here connecting, and after that wait a second, now it is showing the like this Arya Hanumanth. This is the wanted to continue the video, please scan this QR code and register. After that, it is available full video in our website.